हेलो निकेश सर, हे बच्चे उधर जा रहे। कट। अजीम, अजीम भाई ओके है क्या? स्टार्ट करूं? 5 मिनट। टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम की वजह से हम प्रोग्राम 5 से 10 मिनट के बाद शुरू करेंगे। प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, जिन बच्चों को प्राइजेस मिलने हैं आज, वे आगे स्टेज के पास आ जाएंगे। जिन पेरेंट्स रिप्रेजेंटेटिव का भी यहाँ पर सत्कार सम्मान होने वाला है, वे भी जरा आगे आ जाएंगे। जेड सेक्शन में लेफ्ट साइड को उन्होंने आके स्थान लेना है। वन टू थ्री, मैडम रिकाउंटिंग स्टार्ट हो चुकी है। प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट करो।
Kajal Miss, please report on the stage. Kajal Miss, please report to the stage.
रेडी? वो बोलेंगे वैसे।
मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम श्री रामचंद्र की, मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम श्री रामचंद्र की। Before we move to our auspicious occasion, अपने आप आज सबसे आज के महोत्सव को आगे बढ़ाने से पहले बढ़ते हैं महाराष्ट्र गीत की ओर। राज्य की प्रशंसा के लिए लिखा गया गीत सभी से निवेदन है, अपने अपने स्थान पर अपने अपने दिलों में सम्मान का भाव लिए, अपने अपने स्थान पर अपने अपने दिलों में सम्मान का भाव लिए कृपया महाराष्ट्र गीत के लिए खड़े होंगे।
जिस तरीके से हम राष्ट्रगीत को सम्मान देते हैं उसी तरीके से ये महाराष्ट्र का गान है, महाराष्ट्र का सम्मान है। राष्ट्रगीत की तरह सभी ने अपनी अपनी जगह पर खड़े रहना है। सर्वप्रथम बैक स्टेज ऑल्सो, बैक स्टेज जो भी है वो भी अपनी अपनी जगह पर खड़े रहेंगे। एक साथ महाराष्ट्र गान शुरू करेंगे। शुरू कर।
जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा। जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा। भीमा वरदा कृष्ण कोयना, भद्रा गोदावरी। एकपणाचे भरती पाणी मातीच्या घागरी। भीमथडीच्या तटालाया, भीमथडीच्या तटालाया, यमुनेचे पाणी पाजा। जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा। भीतीन आम्हा तुझी मुळी गडगडणाऱ्या नभा। आसमानाच्या सुलतानीला जबाब देती जिभा। सह्याद्रीचा सिंह गर्जतो, सह्याद्रीचा सिंह गर्जतो। शिवशंभू राधा दरी दरीतून नाद गुंजला महाराष्ट्र माझा। जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा। काळ्या छातीवरी कोरली अभिमानाची लेणी। पोलादी मन गटे खेळती खेळ जीव घेणी। दारिद्र्याच्या उन्हात शिजला, निढळाच्या घामाने भिजला। देश गौरवासाठी झिजला, देश गौरवासाठी झिजला। दिल्लीचे तख्त राखी तू महाराष्ट्र माझा। जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा। जय जय महाराष्ट्र माझा, गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा। गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा, गरजा महाराष्ट्र माझा।
Everyone, please take your seats. Thank you, everyone. I am proudly joyous and honored to have the opportunity to welcome everyone present here to the day, a spacious day, the occasion of our school annual celebration. चारों तरफ हो खुशियों की लहर, चारों तरफ हो खुशियों की लहर। चलता हर तरफ गुणगान रहे, बरसे असीम अनुकंपा ईश्वर की, सबके होठों पर सदा मुस्कान रहे। बरसे अनुकंप कृपा ईश्वर की, सबके होठों पर सदा मुस्कान रहे। गुड इवनिंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, dignitaries, invited guests, parents, friends, well-wishers, teachers, and all my dearest students. On behalf of Sindhu Ratna SVC Mahatma Ji English School, I, Kajal Lakhwani, heartily welcoming you all for this annual day celebration, Sindhu Ratnotsav 2024. Come on, put your hands together for us. Everyone, louder clap, because it is said, well begin, half done. Louder of clap must be there. Thunder of claps. Friends, Sindhu Ratna SVC Mahatma Ji English School is marching towards an extra mile with a smile in the momentous task of molding minds. This temple of real knowledge is a name with a mission of nurture each child to make compassionate and discerning individual through a holistic quality education. हमारा विद्यालय हमारी शान है, हमारी शान है, हमारी पहचान है। बधाई हो हम सबको, बधाई हो हम सबको जो हमने ये मुकाम हासिल किया है। आगे बढ़े, इसी तरह बढ़ता रहे, बस दिल में यही अरमान है। School Annual Day celebration is the event which brings out school management, teachers, students, and parents on the same platform to conduct and have a good time together. We all can witness the grand year of school. It's supreme in most of the ways, and the superiority lies due to our esteemed trustees, management members who are ever ready with their inputs and the betterment for the betterment of the school, and their great support lead added us with laurels and motive us to move ahead. As you all have given us your valuable time, dear parents, this is for you. As you all have given us your valuable time, I am guarantee that you can expect an extravagant and a complete entertaining evening ahead. The children's performances, our tiny toads performances, shall definitely leave you mesmerized. Preparations for this occasions were although started near about couple of months ago, but the main action announced when the practices announced. Whole school was under the practices. Everywhere there were practices. Whole school was under a fraggy. Everywhere practices went on in full swing, and the excitement of students as well as teachers never let them tired, because everyone was working dedicatedly for one aim, and that was annual day of school Sindhu Ratnotsav 2024. If you really want to enjoy the program, please ensure that your mobiles are on silent mode. Give quality time to your children. I guess this time is just for you. This time is just for you and your children. You need to know that our children has worked so hard to give a beautiful presentation right in front of their parents. And you can witness this within that couple of minutes. And not only for your kids, you have to clap for each and every performer of the day. Once again, I want your thunder of claps. Dear parents, please. Invited guests, thunder of claps, please. It motivates me. Next, we have a felicitation session. Parents-Teacher Association. Parents-Teacher Associations are the backbones of any successful school. PTA works as a strong connection and a commitment between school and parents, so that we can improve our standard of studies and improve our standard of curriculum and teaching and learning process should be interactive so that students will be actively involved and results will be better. And to felicitate our PTA members, I request our Honorable President Sir, Mr. Tanu Kumar Duseja ji and Deepa ma'am to please come up on the stage and felicitate our today's PTA members from nursery, Mukesh Thakwani. Mukesh Thakwani ji, wherever you are, please come. And I request our President, Mr. Tanu Kumar Duseja ji and Deepa ma'am to please felicitate them by offering them the token of love. Parents, please, put your hands together. Next, I would like to call Bhavika Lakwani from Junior KG PTA member, Mrs. Bhavika Lakwani. Please come up on the stage and I request our President Tanu Kumar Duseja ji and Deepa ma'am to please felicitate them by offering them a token of love. Mrs. Bhavika Lakwani, wherever you are, please come back on the stage. Next, I would like to call Vaishali Shelar, Senior KG PTA member, Vaishali Shelar. I request our Honorable Sir and Ma'am to please offer them a token of love. Parents, put your hands together. Louder clap. Next, I would like to call Sushil Kumar Gangle, first standard PTA member, Sushil Kumar, Mr. Sushil Kumar Gangle. I request Sir and Ma'am to please felicitate them by offering them token of love. Clapping must go on. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Next, I would like to call Deepali Pathak, the second standard PTA member, Deepali Pathak. Ma'am, please, wherever you are, come soon. Parents, till last, I will have your clapping, please. It should be there. It is motivating us. Next, I would like to call the Pranav Wagh, third standard PTA member, Mr. Pranav Wagh, to please come up on the stage. And I request Sir and Ma'am to please honor them by giving the token of love. Next, I would like to call fourth standard PTA member, Mrs. Jayashree Razale. Mrs. Jayashree Razale. Fourth standard PTA member, Mrs. Jayashree Razale. I request our President Sir and Ma'am to please felicitate them. Next, I Sarita ma'am to please come up on the stage to felicitate our remaining PTA members. And here I would like to call 5th standard PTA member, Mrs. Roshni Jiseja ma'am, to please come up on the stage. I requested Jetha sir and Sarita ma'am to please come up on the stage. 5th standard PTA member, Mrs. Roshni Jiseja. Parents, please louder clap. Now I request 6th standard PTA member, Mrs. Kripa Galani. And I request Sir and Ma'am to please felicitate them by offering them token of love. Mrs. Kripa Galani. 6th standard PTA members. I guess in audience many Galanis are there. Come on, clap for them. Next, I would like to request Jyotsna Dua, 7th standard PTA member, Mrs. Jyotsna Dua. Ma'am, please report to the stage. Next, I would like to request 8th standard PTA member, Mrs. Lalita Kuwar. Next, I would like to call 9th standard PTA member, Mrs. Rajni Jagtap. 9th standard PTA member, Mrs. Rajni Jagtap. Ma'am, please. And I request sir and ma'am to please felicitate them by offering token of love. Next, I would like to request our 10th standard PTA member, Mr. Ashok Kunkari. 10th standard PTA member, please, parents, louder claps. Next, we have a prize distribution ceremony. It's the time to felicitate our tiny toads, our winners. Everyone is a star and deserves the right to twinkle. Prize distribution is a memorable, special, and a most awaited event for every institution as well as every student. It gives a sense of happiness and a sense of responsibility for fulfilling new commitments and dedications. Dear audience, our students' loyalty, dedication, and determination made them winner. Our students showed their abilities, efforts, and their hard work lifted their self-confidence. They did their well in academics in year 2023, and it's the time to felicitate them. And for that, I request among us, Mr. Sanjay Ji Jadhav to please come up on the stage and felicitate our kids. And I request Mr. Mohan Singh Tanwani Ji to please come up on the stage to felicitate our kids. Okay. First, I would like to call nursery kids. The first rank holder, Patil Nishan Jnaneshwar, who secured 97.72%. Parents, please put your hands together. Patil Nishan Jnaneshwar, 97.72%. And he secured first rank. Second rank holder is Sonavane Hiren Ritain, 88.55%. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Third rank goes to Pawar Lokesh Jayesh, who secured 88.36% and stood third. If children are not available, on behalf of them, their parents can collect the prize. Please, parents. Again, third position is secured by Sonavane Ritik Pramod, who secured 88.36%. Nursery kids, Sonavane Ritik Pramod. I request our Honorable Sanjay Ji Jadhav and Mr. Mohan Singh Tanwani Ji to please come up on the stage and felicitate our winners. These are the rank holders of nursery. Next, I would like to call junior KG rank holders. The first rank goes to Jodge Harshita Prakash. She secured 98.67% and she stood first. Parents, please, thunder of claps. 98.66 is not less. Next, I would like to call Shailar Ganesh Nilesh, Junior KG, who secured second position by hiring 96.8%. Shailar Ganesh Nilesh. I request sir to please felicitate them. And the third rank holder from Junior KG is Vag Dhairya Pranav, who secured 95.75%. Vag Dhairya Pranav, Junior KG. Next, I would like to call senior KG toppers. First rank goes to Thakur Jignesh Manoj, who secured 99%. Parents, 99%. Come on, give a huge round of applause. Second row, rank from senior KG goes to Gawande Shivraj Vijay. Gawande Shivraj Vijay, who secured 98.72%. Third rank goes to Patil Harshal Dadaji. It's a surname, guys. Parents, it's a surname. Patil Harshal Dadaji, 98.45. And secured third position. Senior KG. I did not hear your clappings. Please, parents. It is not less to secure 98.45. Next, I would like to call first standard toppers. Thakre Purab Sunil. First rank holder, Thakre Purab Sunil. Next, first standard rank holders. Our toppers are first rank goes to Thakre Purab Sunil. Second rank holder, Desle Pratik Diraj. Desle Pratik Diraj, who secured second position by having 93.33%. Third rank goes to Patil Atharva Abhishek by securing 92.46%. Patil Atharva Abhishek. Second standard toppers. First rank goes to Vag Ojas Pranav by securing 96.6%. Vag Ojas Pranav. Second position goes to Chaudhary Rishabh Padmakar by securing 94.6%. And third rank goes to Mahajan Vaibhav Deepak by securing 92.93%. I request dignitaries to please felicitate them. Now we have third standard rank holders. The first rank goes to Tolani Charu Vicky Kumar by securing 98.6%. Tolani Charu Vicky Kumar. I request sir to please felicitate her by offering token of love. Third standard first rank holder Tolani Charu Vicky Kumar. Second rank holder Shelar Purvi Nilesh by securing 96.86%. Third rank goes to Jorge Tanishka Prakash by securing 96.53%. Third standard parents, please put your hands together for our tiny toys. This is not less. They secured more than 98%. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Please have your seats. It's a time to felicitate our fourth standard toppers. And for that, I would like to invite our Khandar Dada, who is among us. Khandare Dada, to please come up on the stage and felicitate our kids. Fourth standard toppers, first rank goes to Patil Siddhi Sachin by securing 96.53%. Patil Siddhi Sachin. 96.53%. Parents, please. Louder of clap must be there. I request Nana Devre sir also to please come up on the stage to felicitate our kids. Fourth standard. I request Khernar sir also to please come up on the stage to felicitate our kids. Fourth standard second rank holder is Chaudhary Aradhya Padmakar by securing percentage. Parents, please. Third rank goes to Ahire Sarthak Rishikant by securing 94.26%. Ahire Sarthak Rishikant. Fifth standard rank goes to Patil Pranit Kishore by securing 97.47%. Patil Pranit Kishore. I request dignitaries to please felicitate them. Second rank holder from 5th standard is Patil Pratik Kishore by securing 95.43%. The most beautiful thing, they both are the brothers. Real brothers, Pratik and Pranit, the proud of Sindhuratna. Third rank goes to Divre Bhumishka Anil by securing 92.73%. Six standard rank holders. 6 standard rank holders. First rank goes to Bagul Paris Mahesh by securing 92.3%. Bagul Paris Mahesh. I request dignitaries to please felicitate him by offering the token of love. Parents, again and again I'm begging for the clapping. Please, thunder of clap must be there. Second rank holder is Desley Siddhi Pramod. She secured 91.30%. Sixth standard second rank holder. Desley Siddhi Pramod. If the child is not available, the parents also can come on behalf. Sixth standard third rank holder is Pimple Praniti Manohar by securing 90%. Pimple Praniti Manohar, third rank holder. Next we have 7th standard rank holders. And the first rank holder is Tekwani Rishi Mahesh by securing 95.42%. Tekwani Rishi Mahesh. I request dignitaries to please felicitate him. And the second rank goes to Patil Manvi Ranjit by securing 94.84%. Manvi Ranjit Patil. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now I would like to call Honorable Raj Singh Ji to please come up on the stage and felicitate our kids. Raj Singh Ji to please come up on the stage. I request sir to please. 7th standard. One more second rank holder, and that is Vak Purva Ravendra by securing 94.84%. Vak Purva Ravendra. If the child is not there, parents also can come on behalf. Third rank goes to Jope Akshara Chandrasekhar by securing 92%. Vak Purva Ravendra. Now we have 8 standard rank holders, and the first rank goes to Patil Rajeshwari Manohar by securing 91.69%. Patil Rajeshwari Manohar. Next we have Godwani Umesh Mahesh Kumar, who secured second position by securing 91.30%. Godwani Umesh Mahesh Kumar. Today, Umesh is become Hanumana. Third rank goes to Jadhav Maitri Siddharth by securing 91.7%. Jadhav Maitri Siddharth. Next we go towards the 9th standard. Here with us, Jadhav Maitri Siddharth by securing 91.7%. 9th standard rank holders, first rank goes to Chavan Prathamesh Anil by securing 94.83%. Chavan Prathamesh Anil. 9th standard, Galani Ritika Harish, secured second position by securing 93.5%. Galani Ritika Harish. And the third rank goes to Chaudhary Vardhan Raju by securing 92.5%. Chaudhary Vardhan Raju. Now we have 10 standard rank holders. The first rank goes to Patil Deep Santosh by securing 93.80%. Patil Deep Santosh, 10 standard toppers. Second rank goes to Saluke Kunal Manohar by securing 93.40%. Here we have Patil Deep by securing 93.80%. He is a holder of first rank. Second rank holder Saluke Kunal Manohar. Next we have third rank holder Ranjan Khushi Raju Kumar by securing 92.40%. She is a third rank holder. Ranjan Khushi Raju Kumar. Along with this, we have some subject toppers also. Our English topper by securing 92 marks, Patil Deep Santosh. Subject topper in English, Patil Deep Santosh. He secured 92 marks. Next we have Marathi topper by securing 86 marks, Patil Saurabh Praveen Sonavane Tanmay Mohan. Next we have our Hindi topper by securing 92 marks, Saluke Kunal Manohar. Next we have a Hindi Sindhi topper by securing 91 marks, Tekwani Chahat Mahesh. And it's a trend of our school. आज हमारे बीच यहाँ एक ऐसे शुभचिंतक उपस्थित हैं जिन्हें अपनी प्यारी बोली सिंधी बोली से बहुत ज़्यादा लगाव है और इसी प्यार के चलते वे हर साल सिंधी टॉपर्स को अपनी तरफ से शुभेच्छा देते हैं। सिंधी टॉपर, हिंदी सिंधी टॉपर 91 सिक्योरिंग मार्क्स, टेकवानी चाहत महेश। Next we have a maths topper by securing 99 marks, Saluke Kunal Manohar. I guess this is the third time I'm calling him. Parents, please give him a huge round of applause. Saluke Kunal Manohar is a maths topper by securing 99 marks. Next we have a science topper by securing 96 marks, Patil Deep Santosh, Patil Saurabh Praveen. Last but not the least, we have our social science topper by securing 98 marks. Again, Patil Deep Santosh. Parents, this kid is coming near about 4 times on the stage. Please give him a huge round of applause. Thank you, sir. You may take your seat now. Thank you, everyone. The most awaited moment for which we all gathered here today. a very precious, a most awaited moment have come. थाम लीजिए दिलों की धड़कनों को, सभी लोग थाम लीजिए दिलों की धड़कनों को, क्योंकि हमारे बीच आ रहे हैं मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम माता सीता और भाई लक्ष्मण के साथ।
जो केसरी के लाल मेरा छोटा सा ये काम, कि जो केसरी के लाल मेरा छोटा सा ये काम, मेरी राम जी से कह देना जय सिया राम,
मेरी राम जी से कह देना जय सिया राम।
मैं राम संग जपता तुम्हारा सदा नाम,
मैं राम संग जपता तुम्हारा सदा नाम,
अपने राम जी से कह देना जय सिया राम,
अपने राम जी से कह देना जय सिया राम।
कर दो केसरी के लाल मेरा छोटा सा ये काम,
कर दो केसरी के लाल मेरा छोटा सा ये काम,
मेरी राम जी से कह देना जय सिया राम।
मेरी राम जी से कह देना जय सिया राम। जय सिया राम।
कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा।
दीनहीन के सहारे महावीर तुम हो,
दीनहीन के सहारे महावीर तुम हो,
अपने भक्तों की जगाते तकदीर तुम हो,
अपने भक्तों की जगाते तकदीर तुम हो,
अपने भक्तों की जगाते तकदीर तुम हो। अरे दुखिया का हाथ तुम लेते हो थाम,
हर दुखिया का हाथ तुम लेते हो थाम,
मेरी राम जी से कह देना जय सिया राम।
मेरी राम जी से कह देना जय सिया राम।
ओ मैं राम संग जपता तुम्हारा सदा नाम,
मैं राम संग जपता तुम्हारा सदा नाम,
अपने राम जी से कह देना जय सिया राम।
अपने राम जी से कह देना जय सिया राम।
कर दो केसरी के लाल मेरा छोटा सा ये काम,
कर दो केसरी के लाल मेरा छोटा सा ये काम,
मेरी राम जी से कह देना जय सिया राम।
मेरी राम जी से कह देना जय सिया राम। जय सिया राम।
Parents, these are your kids. Come on, give them a thunder of round.
विनय न मानत जलधि जड़, गए 3 दिन बीत, बोले राम सकोप तब, भय बिन होए न प्रीत। विनय न मानत जलधि जड़, गए 3 दिन बीत, बोले राम सकोप तब, भय बिन होए न प्रीत। भय बिन होए न प्रीत, भय बिन होए न प्रीत, भय बिन होए न प्रीत, भय बिन होए न प्रीत। हरे राम 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 राम, हरे राम 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 राम। ओ त्रिभुवन में सर्वत्र तुम्ही विस्तार कौन नापे, तुम क्रोध में जब आ जाओ तो ब्रह्मांड सकल कांपे। तुम्हें जावे त्रिपुरारी, जावे महिमा तुम्हारी, तुम हो दिव्य सकल गुण धाम। नीलवर्ण धनुधारी प्रभु अवध बिहारी, तुमसे बड़ा है तुम्हारा नाम। जय श्री राम 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 राम, जय श्री राम 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 राम, जय श्री राम राम राम, जय श्री राम राम राम। घट घट के वासी। रघुकुल नंदन जय श्री राम, असुर निकंदन जय श्री राम, भव्य भंजन जय श्री राम, शत शत वंदन जय श्री राम। सुखकारी दुखहारी तुम पे जाऊं बलिहारी, करूं भक्ति तुम्हारी निष्काम। नीलवर्ण दानोधारी प्रभु अवध बिहारी, तुमसे बड़ा है तुम्हारा नाम। जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम।
Wow, what an energetic performance. They deserve. Parents, please, these are your kids. The most awaited moment.
अभी माता सीता, भगवान श्री राम, उनका आगमन होने जा रहा है। साथ में हमारे आज के मुख्य अतिथि आदरणीय खासदार साहब सुभाष जी भामरे एवं हमारे पूर्व आमदार आदरणीय राजवर्धन जी कदम मांडे, उनका भी आगमन हो चुका है। वे भी उनके साथ राम जी की सवारी के साथ उनका आगमन होने जा रहा है। आप सभी ने जोरदार तालियों के साथ उनका स्वागत करना है। राम जी सीता जी स्वतः यहाँ आ रहे हैं।
सर पे मुकुट सजे, मुख पे उजाला।
क्या वो मैं करूँगा ना? हाँ, उधर तैयारी रखो आपकी। ऊपर लेना है ना।
हाथ धनुष गले में पुष्पमाला, हम दास इनके ये सब के स्वामी। अनजान हम ये अंतर्यामी, शीश झुकाओ राम गुण गाओ, बोलो जय विष्णु के अवतारे। राम की सवारी, राम की लीला न्यारी।
6 जनवरी के दिन हम हमारी बिलवेड गॉड मदर श्रीमती सुगनबाई वालचंद जी चौधरी की जयंती को एक जश्न के रूप में मनाते हैं। आज भी हम उन्हीं की जयंती को एक जश्न के रूप में मना रहे हैं। आज भी हम उन्हीं की जयंती को सिंधु रत्न उत्सव 2024 के रूप में मना रहे हैं। भाग्यवान हैं हम यहाँ सब उपस्थित जन जिन्हें ऐसा ऐतिहासिक क्षण साक्षात्कार करने का अवसर मिला है और हम सभी यहाँ सहभागी होने का सुनहरा अवसर प्रदान हुआ है। साक्षात भगवान राम, माता सीता और लक्ष्मण जी के साथ हमारे समक्ष विराजमान है। आपकी तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट अभी मैं माननीय अतिथिगण से निवेदन करूंगी कि भगवान राम जी की आरती के लिए आगे आएंगे।
जानि गौरी अनुकूल सिया हिया हर सुन जाए कही मंजुल मंगल मूल बाम अंग फर
Now I request our honorable dignitaries to please come up on the stage. I requested all the dignitaries to please come up on the stage.